Governor Wike don't bash Buhari. In fact, the thing where this man talk, he sweet me for body. This governor, wey be Rivers State governor, talk say make Buhari stop to the shift in responsibility. They give other people, they give other governors. Say this president now be the commander in chief of army forces. So make him not even bring the matter say now we be say security matter don't rise. You can't they think and say okay now governor people now suppose they do that one. Say make him doing work as it's supposed to be. Make him now watch this video of how this matter talk this matter.
I'm happy I support Mr. President. When his broadcast speech on this June 12th speech he made, he said, "Governor, stay in your state and do your work and stop worrying me." I thank God, Mr. President, no. I'm not one of those governors that come and see Mr. President or visit him for one problem or the other. I will not be. Mr. President should have come out openly and said, "My APC governors, stop worrying me. Go back to your state and do your work. You're worrying me a lot." I, as the governor of Rivers State, under PDP, you will never find my leg. I will not go there. So I'm happy. That's why I support him. If he does this, you will see that all these people who wear red cap or not my own red cap. This my own red cap is different. All these people who go to the villa and worry president, when they finish, then they'll tell them to talk to the press, and then they will tell them, "Only me cannot solve security problem." Who and who took the oath of office? Did you take oath of office with anybody? You took the oath of office to protect life and what? Property. When you were taking it, they didn't give the oath of office to two people. You are the one who took the loan. President said, "Go home and solve your problem. Go home and solve your security problem." But let me also tell Mr. President too, yes, you have said the security issues is left in the state. How about now, President? No be so. The Constitution didn't say that. Who is the commander-in-chief? Are we the governors or commander-in-chief? We are not commander-in-chief. Mr. President, you are the commander-in-chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Let Nigerians watch. I challenge other people. Go and see what PDP governors are doing. And we are doing it to show the world it is certainly here, here. Let them do their own too. Let us see. Let Nigerians compare. Let Mr. President compare. And see those who have been worrying him there and those who are not coming, whether the difference is not clear. If it is not Coca-Cola, it's not Coca-Cola. Nigerians have tested Coca-Cola. Nigerians are testing Pepsi. Is it not correct? You cannot see that Coca-Cola is Coca-Cola. Will you go back to Pepsi again? Having taken Coca-Cola, will you go and test Pepsi again? Nobody does that.
And I don't see this man just even shift responsibility come up from inside though. He no want to make anybody can't even blame him at all. Talk say na Buhari na they appoint everybody. Say chief of staff na Buhari appoint him. Inspector general na Buhari appoint him. So why we be say now we be say they don't talk matter of insecurity, say people they die. In can they talk say make all governors go they do that one. Say in fact him no they support of that one. So everything before in they support Buhari, but this kind of matter say he no support him. Say Buhari in your tenure no before just if you want go borrow money, now there ain't go come outside say now walk way into say themselves there's a big figure borrow money. No be only Buhari na go they do this kind of making think work on the insecurities where they happen for Nigeria. Say most of the documents in fact now Buhari they sign them. Say the one where they even do order 10. Say now Buhari na go do this thing. So now when you can say make them they in charge of security, how they want to do them? Say because these people they know they under them. The army staff now him go command them say okay help me do this thing, help me go fight these people, go find this war. Now only I'm go fit do that thing. So this one now when come they talk say make they come they do this kind of thing. Say no they even in charge. And say make other governors of every state make una they do now work where. Say no be say any wahala they go don run go outside or go meet president say president do this one. Say president talk this one but he no use him mouth, in full mouth talk this kind of matter. So now him don't talk and say make presidents and all these governors make una no go dey hide for one place, make una come outside, do una work well. and people wey take oath to secure the country. That is all this our police and military people. Make them stand up, come do their work, because na them talk say okay, they want secure the country. Na them take this oath. So make na no come they carry the whole blame game. They give other people. See as the matter be like this, make they allow this whole thing, make country people judge this kind of matter. They go say if they allow them, that is there, you know say we can a PDP member. Say if they allow them, make they pick their own security, they go see say changes go there. Say things go different. It like say this man, in don they find one kind campaign strategy to use as they see this whole matter. But say if they leave them, make they choose their own securities and armed forces, say things go really change. Say if they even make they let people even compare between PDP and APC, people go know say difference there. Say people don't test PDP, they know as it be. They don't test APC self, say they know as it be. So make they leave them, make they use people. Say even Buhari self, he know say difference there. But he know just one come talk and say, now like this kind thing be. But this one, I don't see am say, in just they use this one, they try promote PDP member. So that next time, 2023, if they come as I say, they won't come campaign, people go come vote for them. This one a pure lie, foul. Because everybody knows say, even PDP or APC, we never even certain who won't vote for. Because now, what if youth don't they vex? People don't rise up. Youth don't rise up. So if they won't even vote person self, they go vote for young person. Will be say, in go feel understand what's in the country. They go waiting people they face. Not the one be say go they chop money, they do things. We not go to hear of that one now. The only killings as they chop the money, nobody go to hear that one. No? So in talk and say, even they disappointed in this thing where Buhari talk. Said, but this word where Buhari talk say make them now they in charge of security. Say no be their work. Oh. Make Buhari self do his own work, no be their own. Oga don't stand one side, say his own, now to secure maybe his own people and do the necessary things, maybe like road, water, take care. But say security, now Buhari work, now be that one. No. Say in fact, he no feel lie about that one. Say they no appoint them. He no people wey appoint to they do this kind of thing. So make na no come they mix quotum. And they talk this one say because of say they say APC they lack strategies on how to tackle insecurities. Now there this man come talk and say yes, say na true. But as he say, this man just they focus on say in the PDP. So in they use all this kind of word now, they use and take tackle APC people. As it be like this, we don't even know who wants support. My people where they watch this thing, and I don't know who now wants support because the matter be me, I never even know. Because if you go vote PDP now, another wahala go come shele. This one now APC, we don't even see their eye, we don't see them koro. We don't know something like this, they won't serve us. So this coming election, we never even know. We are PDP own go come worse because this whole thing now self, not be only Nigeria, everybody they face this whole wahala. So as we did like this, everybody still they wait, say who they will even vote for. So make this man not come use this one and contact say because he don't tackle but everybody, nobody go praise you because all of our politicians now be the same thing. On our own how to mago money carry and go here, travel. Say Buhari go they travel from here to there, but the kind things we're supposed to, no go do. This man say this thing, I say even talk, I say the thing is sweet me because I dey like my president, they face our president, they follow and talk for where he go they hear. At least this one and in fellow politician, I stand up come talk this one, no be saying a normal person talk am. So maybe as this man talk this thing, our president go hear his own matter. Now this thing now I hear, I can say make I bring and come, making myself hear waiting this man talk. If not there in support, making I write anything way I feel for the comment section. Make no come forget to like, share and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for the next video.